What's up guys, Roll here, Tech, and when we say action cameras, there's only one brand that is staple on this category, and that is GoPro. Year after year, they are committed on providing their certain group of consumers, and GoPro is just being used on an adventure, but this piece of camera has made its way to motorcycle riders, content creators, and even in Hollywood films. In this review, we will be checking out the latest GoPro in the pipeline, and that is this, the GoPro HERO 12 Black Edition. We'll dive into its features, performance, and whether it's worth the upgrade from the previous models. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. The GoPro HERO 12 retains the familiar rugged design that we love. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry anywhere. The build quality is solid with a mix of plastic and rubber material, and it's waterproof without the need for extra housing. Plus, the folding mounting fingers are a convenient addition, allowing quick accessory attachment. The layout here is pretty familiar from the previous generation. We have a 1.4-inch LCD up front, a 2.27-inch screen at the back. Although I still do kind of want to have another extra layer of protection on this camera, like say an old-style clear case that we have on older versions of GoPro, to ensure that this camera can last as long. Now for the sensor, the GoPro 12 Black Edition can shoot 24.7 megapixel still photos from video or 27 megapixels RAW plus JPEG images. One of the standout features of the GoPro HERO 12 Black Edition is its video quality. It can capture a stunning 5.3K stills and footage at 60 frames per second or 4K at 120 frames per second, delivering crisp and smooth videos. There's also 10-bit GP lock in here, giving you a versatile video output for coloring and other post-editing. Another feature that we also dig on this new iteration of GoPro is the ability to shoot HDR videos. On the naked eye, it's not like a night and day difference between the HERO 11 Black Edition that doesn't have HDR, but rather it adds a bit more of a sharpness, better contrast, and highlights on the shot, making every clips you shot on this device more cinematic. Low light performance, on the other hand, well, we are a bit disappointed on this segment since there is not much of an improvement here as compared to last year's. The video output can still look noisy at times, and there are little to no details in some low light conditions. The GoPro HERO 12 Black Edition can also shoot slow-mo video at 2.7K resolution at 240 frames per second, which is pretty cool and a feature that I think is usable especially in filming your adventure. Not only that, but the HERO 12 Black Edition can also shoot vertical videos at 9:16 aspect ratio, so you can level up your Reels and TikTok game if you are into that kind of stuff. The Hyper Smooth 6.0 stabilization is a game changer, providing a gimbal-like stability without any need for additional equipment. Whether you're on a bumpy trail or filming under the water, your shots will still look impressively steady. GoPro also has improved the audio performance on the HERO 12. Hey guys, so this is the audio quality of the GoPro HERO 12 Black Edition. Let me know what you guys think about how the microphone on this camera sounds like. The built-in microphone offers better clarity and reduced wind noise, and if you require even better audio quality, you can now pair your GoPro HERO 12 Black Edition into an AirPods and use it as an external microphone for when recording videos, or you can also use it for voice commands. Timelapse enthusiasts will also appreciate the Time Warp 3.0 feature, which creates captivating time-lapses videos with dynamic speed adjustments. There's also a horizontal lock feature in which it locks the horizon of the camera regardless if you rotate the axis of the GoPro. Pretty neat. Now for the UI, the touchscreen interface is user-friendly and responsive as always. The HERO 12 Black Edition features customizable presets, making it easy to switch between different shooting modes and settings on the fly. It also has voice control, which can be quite handy when your hands are all occupied. Battery life on the Hero 12 Black Edition is significantly better than other GoPros before. It has the same 1720 mAh Enduro battery as before, but according to GoPro, it is 2 times better than the GoPro Hero 11, and during our testing, it really is. We can shoot a maximum of 5.3K video for 17 minutes at high performance at 60 frames per second, and a whopping 155 minutes of 1080p 30 frames per second video recording. One downside that we think here is that there's no form of fast charging, as the charging rate is still 1 hour and 30 minutes up to 2 hours. Luckily, since it is still using the old version of battery cells as the previous generation, so if you have a lot of spare batteries, you are good to go. Now, in conclusion, the GoPro Hero 12 Black Edition is a fantastic action camera that builds upon the success of its predecessors. With the exceptional video quality, stabilization, and improved audio, it's a top choice for adventurers, vloggers, and anyone looking to capture high-quality action footages. While it might not be a significant leap from the Hero 11, the Hero 12 is undoubtedly a worth upgrade if you are seeking for the best action camera that can last you as long and is capable in shooting cinematic videos and stills on the go. For pricing, the GoPro Hero 12 Black Edition is priced at 24,990 pesos. Sure, there might be a slew of better options in the market, but then again, you do need to consider that at this price point, you are getting a piece of device that has been developed and surpassed a lot of generations and has never failed on its sole purpose, to be an action camera. And there you go, guys. What do you guys think about the GoPro Hero 12 Black Edition? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and visit ugetech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Aurel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.